them to stand when the lady enters the room.
Oh, sorry.
Think nothing of it, Mr. Jones. No time for such formalities. Please take a seat. Now, do you know why you're here?
Yeah, I came in last week feeling a bit anemic, and you wanted to run some tests to see if it was anything more serious.
That's right. We got the results of these tests back, and, well, look, I'm not going to mince words. There is a chance that you might have a bit of a problem, maybe.
Is it serious?
I think it might be a good idea if we try a new therapy, something that's been in development recently.
What is it?
He.
I'm sorry?
It's he, not it. And he has a name.
And what is his name?
His name is Maxie. And he's who we use to tell people about their test results, don't we? Hello?
You can't be serious.
We're very serious.
Look, I'm not taking advice from a talking bloody chimp. It's a stupid idea.
Sir, it is not a stupid idea. There have been numerous research papers into the effectiveness of puppet-based medicine. I did my PhD in it. Yeah, and she didn't pass. Quiet. Supposed to be a professional. The tests say you have high blood pressure.
Right.
And you had your appendix removed.
Yes.
Do you drink?
No.
Well, neither do I. No, that's probably why you're always so thirsty.
No. This can't be normal. I want a second opinion.
Hello there, Mr. Jones, was it?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Good to meet you. Now, let me see. Oh dear.
How is it?
Don't worry, I've been trained for this. This is Mirabelle.
Hello.
Oh, not this again. I'm not interested in your idiotic therapies. Just tell me it straight. It can't be that bad.
Terminal dandruff.
Pityriasis simplex capillati kictobacillus, also known as terminal dandruff. This rare but extremely lethal mutant strain of dandruff kills in excess of 0.4 people every year. Consult your doctor if you experience any of the symptoms mentioned in the video, or in advanced cases if your head has already begun to disintegrate. Paid for by the Swindon Corporate Association for the Limited Proliferation of Dandruff.